I'm Mike Shanley, President of Golden Marine Systems. Let's take a little walk around the dock, and I can show you some of the features of our dock, and we'll talk about hurricane preparation. Today we are at Snookbite Marina in Fort Myers Beach. It is a marina that Golden Marine Systems replaced after Hurricane Ian. So I thought to come here, show you a little bit about the marina, the docks, and some of the features of our docks. This system here is our 850 series single track system. The track system allows for adjustable cleats, pile guides, and finger piers. Another feature of this dock is the troughs. The utility troughs run under these covers. It allows for easy access to utilities, whether it be electric, water, or pump out. Flexibility in a hurricane or wind wave situation. The rubber blocks that connect the docks allow the dock to articulate. So when you get into a hurricane situation or a storm situation with a heavy wind or heavy wave, the docks will roll and give. The decking we have on this dock is a PVC decking called N-Deck. This is our ashwood color, and we have found this to be very durable and easily maintained. Now let's talk about hurricane survivability. What attributes to a dock system being able to survive a hurricane? Well, it certainly is the dock system itself and its ability to perform in a wind wave situation. Our docks, as mentioned before, roll and articulate with wind and wave. It allows it to not bind and give a little, because if it would have just bind, it would break apart. Another thing that really attributes to a dock surviving is the pile system. The piles have to be robust, they have to be properly embedded, and they certainly have to have a top elevation. One of the main things that happens in a storm situation that causes dock systems to fail is the piles not being high enough. So when you get the storm surge, the docks simply float above the pile system and float off and end up who knows where in the mangroves, with sometimes all of the boats tied to them. So the dock system and the pile design are the key factors to surviving the hurricane. How do you prepare a dock for hurricane season or for a pending storm? It's very simple, really. The first thing to do is make sure that all loose material and equipment is safely stored away. That would be either in dock boxes or somewhere upland where maybe electronics or things that are sensitive to water would be better stored and safer. As far as the docks go, the Golden Marine System docks, as they sit, are ready to go. They're ready for the storm, and they're designed to handle it. In some cases, you might want to just make sure that all the cleats are tight, pile guides are tight. You want to make sure that the electric and water are shut off or isolated so that if there is a leak, it won't run all through the storm and into the next day. But typically the onus is on the boats, and the boats are what needs to be secured the best. And that would be properly tied, good lines, good cordage, making sure that they are not frayed, they're strong enough to handle the storm. And then where it is called for, depending on the level of storm that you're going to get, maybe the boater should leave the marina. As far as preparing your marina for the storm, there are really 4 points that we follow. The first being making sure that your hurricane preparation plan is in place. Even before hurricane season, you should be training your staff on your hurricane preparation plan, informing the clients, customers, the boaters of your plan, and last, making sure that your clients and your marina's insurance are current and sufficient enough. The second point would be prior to the storm and the actions that are going to be taken. Making sure the boats are secured, making sure your equipment is properly stored away. If you have sensitive documents or electronics that you feel would be better inland, safe and away from the coast, take those with you. The third point would be during the storm. You don't want to be here. You don't want to be around the coast. You want to stay away. If you can, if you have electric and TV, you want to monitor the storm and see how it's affecting the area of your facility. Otherwise, what is most important is that you and your staff are safe. until the storm passes. And the last point is after the storm. Upon returning to the marina, determine if the marina is in a condition to be reopened or will need to be closed. Contact staff to make sure that they are safe, and if they are available, have them come in. Contact your clients. Let them know whether or not it's safe to come back. Safety is the key factor here. I'm Mike Shanley, president of Golden Marine Systems. From our website, goldenmarinesystems.com, you can download our hurricane preparation plan. Use this as a guide. Different regions have different needs, and those you should take into consideration. Thank you.